we're going to explore the environment of the Lat area. And I had someone asking me yesterday if she could join, and I'm like, why not? You know, if somebody wants to join me playing on this world called Earth, I'm like, yeah, let's do it together. Alright, we are at the first waterfall of the day and meet my travel partner. What's your name?
Mary.
Mary. Mary is from?
Germany.
Germany. Alright, so, and we are gonna spend a day together and see whatever we can find around this town. Alright. Oh, it's actually pretty cool. I don't know if that's a good choice to do that with all my camera gear and everything on my back, but it looks really cool to do. Yeah. I see we have another right there over there, and I hope this one is actually a little bit safer than the last one we did, but we are going to find it out very soon. I will wait till she's gone because I want to go fast. Oh, they have nice flowers here. Yeah! Whee! Oh, let's try to catch up with our friends for the day. Oh! Ah, almost. Yeah, there she is. I don't think you really like my driving style. That's okay. I like my driving style. Well, that was fun. And we are going to the waterfalls. Yeah. Do you guys still like to see waterfalls? Because I'm showing you guys waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. I mean, it's a nice one. You guys still like it? Leave a comment. I am dark to dark. Where's my ISO? Dark. Okay, so apparently there is another waterfall right here where we're walking right now. And of course, we are going to check it out. I used to not really like walking stairs, but lately actually I really enjoy it, because after biking 3,000 kilometers in New Zealand, my leg muscles are like, come on, do something with me, and yeah, it's actually a nice feeling to like use them again. And you know, also after sitting on a motorbike for so long, it's nice to be active in general, I think. How do you like it? Alright, there we go, climbing stairs. I don't know how long my stabilizer is still gonna work, but who cares? It's fun. Do you like walking stairs?
No, I hate it.
Come on, need a bit of exercise after all the beer and everything that we drink in this country. Hello!
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 Hello! And that was the end of climbing the stairs. Oh man, that just felt really good. Yes, I think we should eat more bananas and walk more stairs. You made it! High five! Yeah! Next plan of the day, coffee! Yeah! I just get excited about life, don't you? Isn't life just, you know, you have to see life as a playground, you know? We're on this world, we're getting a certain time, and this is the time we get to play on this beautiful world. So, play today. Do something fun. Make your whole day fun. Yes. Dutch beer, good choice. Heineken, nice. Netherlands, good. Alright, and we're gonna order Cafe Vietnam with no sugar and no milk. there is no way to walk back up, so we have to take the cable track back up, and actually this is pretty fun too. I love you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know. We are going to our next destination, another waterfall, and I'm telling you, eat more bananas. You like bananas?
Yes, I do.
Bananas are the best.
Oh, no, not the best.
Yes, they are. That's a pretty cool golf resort in the middle of Vietnam. I really need to buy like a GoPro or something, which I don't like the quality, but I don't want to like film with my pocket camera with someone on the back, because usually I'm like grabbing the thing out and like pushing all those buttons and then moving my hand around to film. Don't want to put other people in danger, you know, so I think I'll just buy like a small camera and mount it on the bike. So today a little bit less environment, sorry about that. I just dropped my camera on the floor, but luckily those cannons are pretty strong, so it still works. And I'm having noodles with whatever it is. This is my €1 lunch today. How is it to travel with me? Am I driving you insane already with my camera obsession, or is it still like as in...
It's good.
It's good?
Yes,
it's
good.
good.
Very good, yeah.
Oh, okay. And we are at waterfall number 2 of the day. Yeah, let's see how this one looks like. Alright, so this is... let me go to the bridge. What the? So, this is it. This is the waterfall. You know, it's actually kind of nice to travel like with people who have a plan, because I am a horrible planner, and then I can just follow wherever they want to go and keep myself occupied with filming. Yeah, nice. Hello.
Hello.
She is gonna do the walk. I am not, because I do nothing that my stabilizer likes rain. Oh well, that's alright. I can see it from here. Oh, camel, 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 camel. Oh, look at that. Cute, cute. I know, it is really sad that they'll keep them like here like that. So I'm also not gonna spend money to ride it. But I can at least pet it, give it some love, you know. Puppy, 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 hello. Hi, puppy. Hey. Hi, puppy.
He's so cute.
We are gonna have lunch, dinner here. I don't know, it's all the same. We all eat here 3 times the same anyway. But look at this view. Isn't this not what you think of Vietnam? This is more like what you think of like New Zealand. Pretty cool place, by the way. Like, you know, right? Oh, let me lighter. Yeah, nice.
Is it like coffee?
Nice view, yeah. The last thing I'm gonna take you guys to today is some kind of clay sculpture thing, and after that we're gonna go back. You think I'm always in hot weather countries? Well, I am not. It is cold here, and it is only getting colder, I've heard, while going north, but that's the way it is. You're running!
Yes!
I have no idea what it is. But I think I read something. Apparently this is like all the things, all the sculptures here have something to do with Vietnam. Like, I don't know, like famous people, or that was what I wrote. I don't know how monkeys are famous people from Vietnam, but they're monkeys, right? They are monkeys. Am I crazy? That's monkeys. 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 It's not monkeys, tourists. Hello. You have to agree, guys, this is pretty cool. Photo, photo, photo. I think so. Let's do it. Isn't it amazing how much exciting and beautiful places there are in the world? Yes. Also, when I'm back in the Netherlands, I'm gonna explore my own country a little bit more. We also have so many beautiful places in the Netherlands. Yeah.
Oh, can you take a picture of me with the flag, please?
Picture, picture, picture. She's happy. She has a picture with her flag. Woohoo! Yeah! So this was today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the adventure, and tomorrow I have no idea what's gonna happen tomorrow, but we will see. And also thank you to our second host, Mary. See you tomorrow.
Bye.